Come on, Mike. Lunch was the better goal. Hopefully we can get back in line.
Please remain seated in an upright position and keep your arms and legs well inside the train at all times. Thank you and enjoy your ride on the Sea Serpent.
Guests waiting in line. Shoes are required on this ride. Please do not take off your shoes. While you are waiting, please prepare to place all loose articles, including hats, cell phones, and anything else that's not safely secured, into the loose article bag on the exit side of the platform. Morey's Piers and its employees cannot be held responsible for any lost, stolen, or damaged items. If any loose article injures another guest, you will be held liable for their injury. Cell phones are not permitted to be used at any time during the ride. Again, please keep your shoes on no matter what type you are wearing. Thank you.
Smoothest boomerang ride I think I've ever gotten. That was excellent.